Alright, so hey guys, it's day 5 here in San Diego. Today we'll be off to paragliding and like we'll be filming some drone hopefully. Even though I don't think it's too allowed here. But yeah, we'll see what happens. 我哋而家去邊啊？吃東西。
非裝裝咩？
食先啊？
咪拎埋個裝去㗎啦。
OK。So right now we're at Jolla. We arrived just now. Parked over there for a 30-minute parking spot and whatever. And yeah, we'll be eating some brunch. In fact, lunch actually. It's too early. And we'll be flying some drone later over at the shore or the Bay Area. So yeah, see you guys later. So if you can see over there, there's like a cove area, and we'll be trying to like, I don't know, we want to swim later on, but now I don't think we can because we didn't bring any of our swimming gear here. So maybe we'll swim tomorrow and we'll fly the drone today. So yeah, you may be able to see some of our footage later on of this cove area. Super nice view though. Just look at it. Thank you. So we just finished our lunch. Food was awesome. And we're off to flying some drone. Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Alright, so we just decided to stop over at National Geographic. It's like an art exhibit there is right here before we go off to like near the sea to like do some more drone filming and all that there. So yeah. So as you can see, we arrived at the Jolla Bay here. There's like a gigantic grass field and there's like a beach right down there. But then we're not sure like whether we can actually fly our drone here because there is a lot of people. But then yeah, we'll see later on. I mean, we'll try anyways though. Alright, so we just finished some drone filming. It was all good, you know. So we're gonna have some footage to show you. And basically, right now we're just gonna go grab some coffee or tea or something like a tea. And then basically, we're gonna help Marcus make his phone card. And afterwards we'll come back for sunset. Because the view is awesome right now. Just check this out. But then yeah, it's still in the afternoon, so we'll have to wait a bit. Like around 7:51 and we'll come back. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh. Alright, so we just left Starbucks and right now we'll be heading over back to the bay to like take some rest and like maybe sleep on the grass or something like that because it's not sunset yet. But yeah, we'll wait for sunset for some more drone filming and probably some pictures. So right now we arrived and we're just trying to like find a spot where we can sit down, have some shade, because we'll be here for like an hour or something waiting for sunset, which still hasn't happened though, obviously. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later. The sunset's absolutely amazing, dude. Just check that out. Crazy. Alright guys, so as you can see, the sunset had ended already. Right now we'll be heading over to a restaurant, fine dining restaurant called Eddie's Beef Prime or something like that, I'm not too sure. And basically, yeah, we'll have dinner. And basically, we just took some pictures and we filmed some drone, but we're not sure if it's gonna be nice or not. If there is anything good, I'll just show it right here. Yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Alright, so right now we're leaving Eddie's Beef Fry. We just finished our dinner. Food wasn't too bad, but then we ordered a bit too much, so we're all full and all that. But yeah, we're heading back to our hotel and it's already 10 o'clock, so it's pretty late. So I'm pretty sure I'll end the vlog here for today. And yeah, we'll start fresh tomorrow. See you guys. But yeah, we'll try, I mean.
哇！你咁好彩嘅〜